Good afternoon. For today's merienda sana, we're going to prepare Korean Tteokbokki. Basically, it's an Asian rice cake that is cheesy and spicy. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's start. Pour 2 cups of glutinous rice flour in a bowl. Add 1/2 cup rice flour. Then let's put 1/2 cup tapioca starch. Mix these dry ingredients together before we add 1 cup of water. We mix it well until we form dough. Then we prepare a plate and sprinkle it with some rice flour. Then let's get our dough. Form thin cylindrical shape dough, just like a bubble tea straw. Once done, let's slice them to about 1 inch long. Afterwards, let's get a pan, add water, let it boil over medium to high fire or heat. Add a little oil. Once boiling, put the sliced dough and let us wait until those tiny little dough expand and float before we drain and put them on a plate. Such as sugar, the fish sauce, chili flakes, paprika powder, sliced fish cake, cheese sauce, and some scallions. Afterwards, boil 1 and 1/2 cup of water. Once boiling, add the fish sauce, then the sliced glutinous rice dough. Simmer it. Then add the fish cake, the scallion, the chili paste, paprika, and sugar. Simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes. While we simmer it, let us prepare the cheese sauce. Then let's add the cheese sauce and mix. Let us mix this until it's creamy and thick. Our tteokbokki is ready. Let's have our merienda sana. But before that, let us garnish it first with some Parmesan cheese to make it more creamy and tasty. Oh, by the way, for all those who want to have a list of the ingredients, please comment.